Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the flips that we're doing. We're in Carson, California. We picked up this flip, I'd say about 3 weeks ago. Contractors have been in, they're starting their work. Come on in, I'll show you what's going on. So at this point, we've got the flooring down. We replaced all the windows as well. We installed can lights in the living room here. Drywall guy came by and did most of the work, and he put new texture on the ceiling. That fireplace is going to be taken down, the front facing bricks, and then we're going to replace it with stack stone over there. If you move this way, we got the kitchen. Large kitchen, open concept, kind of moving out into the dining room area. Again, new windows, can lights in, large slider here. And in the backyard, we replaced the patio cover that was basically rotted out. So they put some new pieces of wood out there. And then if you can see all the way in the corner, that fence was like that when we bought it. And the owner decided he was going to fix it. He bought all the bricks and the blocks, but never did anything. So they're here ready to go. So that'll be one of the projects that the contractor gets to. This is this is 4 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2 bedrooms upstairs. Got 1 bedroom here. And then we've got a bathroom here, bathtub. That's what the tile guy is working on today. And then another bedroom down here. And you see that they finished the baseboards in here. The painters are here, caulking everything, getting everything ready to paint. And we'll hop on upstairs. We got a bedroom here. And then we've got the master bedroom here. And again, as you see, all the flooring's done, windows are done, baseboards are done. And then we've got Angel, who is our #1 tile contractor, working in there. You can take a look in there. So anyways, that's what we got going on here. Probably be here, I'd say another 1.5 to 2 months to completion, but I'm very happy with the progress that they've done in the last 3 weeks. You can see Angel should be done probably in a few days or so with that tile work, and then he'll start working on the floor there in the master bath. But I'm very happy with the progress that's been done here. Hey, thanks for joining me on this walkthrough today. I appreciate you coming to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. If you need anything, please let me know. I'm here to answer your questions. If you want to take a look at the newest completed flip that we have, click on this link right here, and that'll take you directly there.